UEFA Chrome 8254. Let's do this thing. Good luck to all. 5 times. Let's do it. Good luck. Here we go. 8254. 1, 2, 3. October, Samuel. 4. And 5. Top is AC Milan. Bottom is Wolfsburg and Villarreal dual spot. Copy that. Get rid of it. Drop it in exactly where you picked up your spots. Here we go. 8254. Let's do it. Alright, Tadic, Messi, black. Refractor, Locatelli. Guterres, Donnarumma, Adeyemi. Jordan Henderson. Numbered 41 and 125. Last time I said you said the Zion artistic endeavours was game 1. I think most of the artistic endeavours are. Graham Birch, Moreno, Cavani, Eduardo Camavinga, Future Stars. Pretty sure it would have been game 1. I would have read that, right? Things, Arnold, Reba, and Rafael Leao, gold auto, 44 of 50. Wow, suburban lawyers are on $50 a day. I'm joking. That's a lot of jokesies. Gomez, Ibrahimovic, Kante, Refractor. Silva, McCarthy, Sanchez. Ansu Fati, Golazzo. Yeah, same here, but I hope New Japan invades because it wouldn't make sense for a lot of the top guys on AEW to partner up. VVD, Sterling, Newer, David Neres, Refractor. You know what I mean? Like, it doesn't make sense. Like, I guess you could have Combat Club and Traore, Dybala, Garcia. Refractor, Future Stars, Zavi Simmons. Aces and eights. Bring back Bully Ray. Ivy to B, Maldini, Gonzalez. Brahim Diaz. Till. A-Rob, Diaz, Pogba. Refractor, Mecca. Bale, Kylian Mbappe, Kevin Murray. Guerrero, Sanchez, Kulizeski, Pedri, Future Stars. Gosen, Suso, Maguire, Quadrado. It's actually not like, I don't know what it is, it's just cooked. Coach Jones, Mbappe, Musiala, Rakitic. We've put a burning thing there to 109 for Sevilla. Chilwell, Pepe, Vlahovic, Refractor of Pogba. Pulisic, Rowie, Dest, Harry Maguire, Blue Wave, number 275. Yesterday we hit the Ruben Diaz 101. Havertz, Haaland, Refractor. Gundogan, and Abde as a Zuli. Refractor. That is Chrome 8254. Oh, that's right, because they're already building to LIJ, aren't they?